closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today,
yeah, I'm here, and this.
Yeah, so we're gonna take the lawnmower for a spin. We'll get some clips. It's gonna be good.
We are driving on the sidewalk mountain.
Okay, so we went to the store. I got a SpongeBob popsicle. We'll see what Ben's getting. He's still in there.
Okay, guys. So basically, we're heading back. I got some Swedish berries, but they're like cream. So we're at the pool. Or the pool.
The pool?
I got a pool yesterday. It's not my fault. We're at the school. Sounds the same, just without the S and the C. Anyway, we're here and we're gonna screw around on the scooter now.
Okay, so I don't really know why or how, but I'm gonna drive down here on the scooter. Is this smart?
Yep. I
Thanks.
can push you if you want.
No, I'd actually rather you not do that. I don't. Oh, I'm just gonna hit that.
Just jump off. So guys, this is a test run because I might go down this.
No, you will not.
I might. I want to see how this goes, and if it goes good, then I might, but still probably not.
Oh, it looks like it went great then. We'll ride down the slide now. You have to. He's gonna smack. It hurts really bad.
Ah!
I told you.
I told you.
I told you. Okay, so I'm gonna rewind to when I was like 5, and I'm gonna do the parkour line I used to do all the time. So Ben's gonna record. So I remember this was the starting point. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is.
Parkour. Parkour.
Ben's sending it currently. Oh, it's looking good.
One battery.
Okay.
This is good. You're doing great.
Sliding.
It's sliding. Okay, guys, so we're heading back to the school. The mini BMX, the BMX, a scooter, and the lawnmower.
Yeah, we'll show you guys Ben's setup where he's gonna be sitting in a sec. Okay, so this is Ben's setup. You sit on this plank that goes in the cup holder and then hold onto the string.
Feels like it's gonna snap.
No, it won't. Blast off.
And steep hill.
Okay, so we made it. Barely.
Yeah.
A little bit sketchy getting here, but we've made it. And now we're gonna unload everything.
Nice.
Whoa.
Sketchy.
That would have been bad.
Take 2.
Okay, attempt, whatever. I don't even remember. Let's go higher, because why not? Okay, give her.
Sliding.
Go. Yes, Ben. Yes, Ben. Okay, so we're up in the trees now. I'm gonna hit a line here. Film it. Oh. Oh. He's ripping on that. Oh yeah. Nice.